voters' kura has been validated by the court.
Yes.
We are the confidence of the judiciary all through.
Yes.
I take this opportunity to thank my lead lawyer, senior counsel, Ngabana Martin, supported by Kithenji Marete, and the lawyer Wairimu Rugaita, who was representing my deputy governor. They have done a commendable job. I would take this opportunity to thank the judiciary. I've always had confidence in the judiciary. I knew what happened in the court, the High Court. What the judge Musyoka did was out of the law. It has now been rectified by very, very wise judges of the Court of Appeal. Solomonic judgment has been ruled today in favor of the voters of Embu, in favor of the community of Embu, and from tomorrow, I will begin uniting the Embu leaders across the board. We are going to start development projects maramoja. We are going to ensure projects which are for job creation, projects which are for wealth